If you use Cloudflare for DNS, workers, or security, you eventually need an API token to connect your apps or automate tasks. And in this video, I want to exactly show you how you can generate it. So it's really simple. First step is you want to navigate to dash.cloudflare.com and you want to make sure you are logged with your account. All right. So this is the first step. After that, we want to hover our mouse on this left menu and you want to look for manage account. So click on it. And here, if you scroll a little bit, you are going to find this account API tokens. So this is the section where we want to go. And here you can see all of your tokens. If you don't have token like me, it's okay. We can create new ones. So if you click on create a token, it's going to get you to this menu where you have to firstly type a name of your token. So you can type, for example, name of your tool to which you are connecting Cloudflare. I can name it test. And here under the name, you want to basically choose the permissions which you want to use. So make sure you select only ones you need. So for example, if I click on this DNS and zones, you can see we can allow, for example, reading the DNS firewall. You can also have the editing options, so then it can also edit them. And after you selected your permissions, you can also select if you want to make it to entire account, all domains with the account, or for the specific domains only. So you can set this how you want. You can then change the token expiration, so you can keep it on no expiration, you can keep it on 7 days, or you can make also the custom token expiration date. You can also add here client IP address filtering, so you can click on it and you can use your, for example, IP address. So I can add it over here. And after this, you want to click on review token. So you need to have at least some permission in order to generate token. So then you can click on review token. Then you can see some preview, so you can review if is it like you want. Then click on create token. And now it's going to generate this API token. And make sure to not share this with anyone. This is secret information. I'm gonna remove this token after the video, but also I will blur it so you can't see it right now. And make sure to copy it right now because then it's not going to be seeable again. All right, so then make sure to you have this key and then you can click on confirm and now you will no longer see the key and you can see the status over here if is it active or not. So if I want to remove it, for example, you can basically delete it from here as well. So I can delete it like this and now the token no longer exists. So this was a quick video how you can generate this API token in Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.